Hello friends! Every piece of advice I'm going to share with you comes directly from the technicians who work at this appliance repair shop, one of the most well-known in the city. So relax, because here we're going to find the solution. When a customer brings in a Smeg dishwasher showing E2, the first thing we usually explain is that this code almost always relates to water level or inlet pressure, not a complex electrical issue. In simple terms, the machine thinks there is too much or too little water, and for safety, it stops before completing the cycle. Interestingly, several customers have shared very similar experiences. One said, the dishwasher didn't finish filling and then E2 appeared, while another commented, it seemed like there was too much water even though there wasn't. This shows us that many times the level sensor receives odd signals and triggers the error, even when the water amount is correct. For that reason, we almost always start by recommending opening a hot water tap and letting it run for a few minutes so any trapped air escapes and the tank fills completely. Many customers have told us that after doing this, the error disappears and the machine works normally, demonstrating that it's not always a serious fault. However, when the problem persists, it's usually because the pressure switch or pressure sensor that measures the water level is dirty, damaged, or poorly connected. Our technicians explained, if the sensor doesn't detect the pressure correctly, the control board thinks there's a problem even when everything is fine. Checking connections, cleaning the pressure switch, and making sure the tubes aren't blocked usually solves many cases. At the same time, some technicians have noted that the water inlet filters or the dishwasher's internal pipes were dirty or clogged, which can also trick the sensor. At the shop, we always say that cleaning the filters and ensuring hoses are free and not kinked is a key step before considering part replacement. On the other hand, if after cleaning, purging air, and checking connections the E2 still appears, then it's likely that the pressure switch is defective or the control board is misreading the signal. In those cases, our technicians always recommend taking the unit to an authorized service center.